In this video, we're going to unbox the new Mixbox 4 from Evermix and give it a little test out. Let's jump in. Hey, it's Graham Farmer from Data Transmission, and today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Mixbox 4 by Evermix. I'm going to give it a test out. Also, if you recently watched my how to live stream video, which I'm going to link in the thingy above, this can also be used for live streaming, and it will be another way to live stream. So we're going to talk about live streaming and how this is used for live streaming for your DJ sets whilst we're in this lockdown period and beyond. Let's jump in, let's unbox it and see what's inside. This is the Evermix Mixbox 4. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This lovely little hard shell case, great for going in your travel bag, great for taking on the road with you. And what have we got? So we've got the Mixbox, the Evermix Mixbox. Essentially, this is the great piece of kit. Look at it, it's tiny. What else we got? We've got the lead. This lead essentially goes from your Mixbox, plugs in here, like that, and then that, the other end, goes into your phone. So I've got my phone here. Previously, I downloaded the Evermix app from the App Store, and as you can see, as soon as I plugged it in, it's connected to the Evermix. And then finally, we have got our RCA lead, and that's just going to go in here and go into your output, so into your mixer. Whether you go in through the mixer port or whether you go through the record port or like a booth setting, depending on what options you've got on the back of your controller, mixer, however you're DJing, that goes in the back. Also on here, you've got a phone charger lead. You've got a mini USB, so you can plug this into a power supply, and essentially you'll be charging your phone whilst you're recording on the fly, and that's essentially all you need. Look, it's simple. So at the moment it's flashing red. That means it's not recording, it's not doing anything. If I plug this into my setup, let me unplug this, and let's take it into an output. I've got my Tractor S3 next to me, so let's take it into here. So that's now in there. That's now outputting. That's got some volume. That's perfect. So record my set. So would you like? Yep. Okay. So now we've got the display. Look, you can see no audio. Why have I got no audio? There we go. We've got some audio. There it comes. So as you can see, now we've got some audio. Adjusted the settings on the deck. This has gone blue, so you can see it's ready to go. And all we're doing, like, you can see how much input is. So you can level it on the system, and then you just tap to start recording. And that's recording now. That's recording my set. It's going to record it onto my phone. It's going to record it as a 320. And then look, you can actually edit once it's finished recording. This goes red to say it's got no input, and you can add genres to it. You can add names, events, so if you're recording an event, you can add the event and the location and the venue. You can link your Mixcloud and Soundcloud, so it uploads straight to those platforms. Or you can save it off to your phone. You've got settings, you just link it up there. Let's try and record it again. Let's see if I can change the input. So I can record as a WAV if I wanted to, or at 120 kps AC. So I can record it as a WAV. So we record it real high quality. Look, we're getting some volume now. Perfect. Also, if I wanted to go live, I could then go live because the audio is coming straight into the Mixbox, and essentially I could use this to go live onto Facebook because I've got the audio. I've got the camera on my phone. The audio is coming into my phone because it's coming from the Mixbox. I could then go live onto Facebook, and I could be not using this as a a good live streaming source. It's going to be quality audio. I'm recording at the same time, so I'm getting both. So I can save the audio. I can live stream onto the platforms, and I have literally multiple pieces of content for after the event. Really quality, superb advances from Evermix. Guys, this is wonderful. And I'm fully in love with it. I'm going to be using this loads. I'm going to record some sets. I'm going to record some sets this weekend, and I'll start putting them out on my DJ pages. What do you think? I think these things are great. I think they're really useful for DJs. I think that they've advanced so much from the first video. If you watched our first interview, I'll put that in the thing, the card above. Go and watch it. We'll speak to the guys from Evermix. This has been evolved so much since then. I think it's great for live streaming. I think this piece of kit's wicked. They put out a statement the other day saying they're still going to be delivering them and still sending them out whilst we're in this lockdown period. So you can still order them now, you'll still get them, and you'll still be able to live stream, and you'll still be able to record your sets straight away. So go and order them, go and support local, go and support the businesses in this industry, and keep this industry thriving. Go and grab yours today, please. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. As ever, drop us in the comments, let me know what you're thinking. Let me know what you found useful. Have you used one? Are you using one? Have you streamed one? Did you find any problems? Get them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. As ever, subscribe to this channel, smash the bell, then you'll get all the videos first. And whilst you're doing that, here's some other videos that I think you might enjoy as well. Thanks again. See you next time. Bye-bye.